Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today, as you can see, we are going to be reviewing and flipping through the 2021 Recollections Celestial Planner. So I'm super excited because I think this is going to be my new planner for 2021. My current Recollections planner was originally an 18-month planner, but I did take out the last 6 months of it. So it was just like a July to June academic planner or academic year planner. So I was planning on using it until June of 2021, but then I kind of have been wanting to start like a planner that goes January to December. I don't know, because I think it'd be like nicer to have the whole year just in one planner instead of, you know, 6 months of this year and 6 months of the next year. So I was going to actually do that after I finished my current planner, but now that I was sent this one, I think I'm just going to move into this in January, and then my current planner will just have, you know, like the 6 months in it or whatever. It's no big deal. I'm just really excited to have this. Craftsmith Co. sent this to me, for free early, actually this the week of launch, but that was like, you know, a few weeks ago now. But anyways, I did flip through this planner on my Instagram because I was so excited to have it and so excited to show everybody, and a lot of y'all over on my Instagram were like, oh my gosh, this planner is amazing, and I was like, you know, I should share it on YouTube. So that's what we're doing today. So this is the 12-month Celestial Spiral Planner. This is like their standard vertical size. So this is my current Recollections planner, and they're both considered medium or whatever because they have like large and mini and stuff. A few other influential people on Instagram got like all of the planners or maybe a couple planners. I just got one. But I'm actually so happy that they sent it. I mean, first of all, I was like honored to be given a planner for free. Thank you. But I didn't even know like they were going to have a celestial planner. They were just like, hey, can we send you a planner? And I was like, sure. I didn't know what they were going to send me. And I mean, this just goes to show that they actually like looked at my account, looked at the stuff that's on my account, and was like, oh, I think that this chick will like the Celestial planner. So that was like, wow, just really appreciative and amazing. Anyways, so as you can see here, January through December 2021 vertical layout, and it is a neutral layout too, so that is amazing. So anyways, let's move that, and here's the beautiful cover. As you can see too, it is a rose gold quill, which is the first time I've seen a Recollections with any other quill color besides silver. I did see some other people that had a gold quill, so that's amazing. And then you've got this beautiful art here on the front with the moon vases and like the zodiac signs and stuff, and it is a hardbound cover, and it's not interchangeable, but I have seen people use the hardbound covers and they still snip off the, you know, little holes or whatever so you can make it interchangeable. That is what I did with my current planner. I just snipped holes in the cover and I took it out and I put my old like planner cover on here because I wanted a more fall cover, you know. So anyways, here's the cover, and let's go ahead and get into it. So your first one is this tab that says 2021, and it says how to use this planner. May the stars light your way. Let me make sure you're in frame to see everything. Should I zoom in so you can kind of read some of this? Why not? Okay. So anyways, it just kind of talks a little bit about the universe here, how you can use the moon, the planning of retrogrades, which I think is going to be amazing for me because I am still learning a lot of stuff about astrology and zodiac and horoscopes and things like that, and I don't like completely understand everything with retrogrades and how they work and how they affect, you know, us. Then you've got astrological seasons and natural seasons, so that's really neat. You know, you've got your natural seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and winter, but then you've got astrological seasons too, which really neat. Then the next page, you've just got your year at a glance. Hold on. You know, it's just January to December 2021. Usually I will use this page like in my current planner here. I use that page for like marking as you can see, like winter break, like school stuff for my son's school, like pictures or holidays and days he doesn't have school and that kind of thing. And then I also put over here like a first day of school and a last day of school pictures. I haven't put that in yet, but you know, that's what I do with this section. So yeah, that's what this section's for. It's nothing, you know, specifically celestial right here. But then on the next one, you've got your astrological I can't speak. You've got your astrological quick reference guide, and then you've got a planetary quick reference. So this one's got like the signs and the symbol and the house and the element and the characteristics and the mode, which is amazing. I can't even handle all this. Like, y'all, what in the world? Astrology is a very complex thing, okay? Like, I know some of y'all might know your astrology, and there's so much like your birth chart and like what degrees your, you know, this sign was in, and oops, sorry, I'm bumping things. And I mean, I've learned a little bit about how, like, you know, your sun sign is like what you usually say you are, but then you have your moon, you have your rising, you have like, oh, there's so much, and I don't understand it all. It's a lot of things to study, so this is really cool to just like have these references. And then the planetary ones, you've got your planet, the symbol, the rules, the controls, and the day. So I love that. Then you've got over here the how to approach the phases of the moon, and you've got all the phases right here in a little circle. And then with each phase, you know, like a little thing about what kind of like corresponds to that phase. Then you've got your whole section about retrogrades right here. So, and the dates. Amazing. What to expect, the planets one in retrograde 2021. So here I have already for me right here, I'll know when the planets are in retrograde, when they start, when they, you know, end, and like what happens. So amazing. And then you've got your lunar reference phase. So this is the entire stinking year with every single phase of the moon, and underneath it, even every single sign that the phases are in, which is just amazing. Okay, so now you've got your intentions for the year, and I like how you've got little, you know, journaling here. I want to do, I want to be, I want to feel, acknowledge, cleanse, and welcome. And then you've got some stickers. So you've got like the signs and just some, I don't know, like strips of washi. Then you've got vacation, some of the planets, birthday, appointment. There you go. And then we've got some of these really pretty kind of like full boxes, and then you've got like tarot reading, which is amazing. That's really cool. I'm gonna start getting into tarot once my cards arrive, and I'm excited for that. And then just some like little boxes here. You've got new moon intentions, full moon releases, some more note stuff, some habit trackers, and some checklists. And then we've got a full sheet of a bunch of the like circular icons of the signs, and then lots of like, they're like label stickers for like, you know, planning around astrology. Like, it's time to get out there. It's time, you know, warning, like something's going on. I'm going to do a meditation. Time to act now. Time to slow down. Spread love. Use your power. Self-care. I love all that. It's amazing. Then this is new for these planners. This is actually a single sheet, double-sided, of removable sticker paper, which is like really neat. It's just already in here. And actually I use already reusable sticker paper. I bought mine on Amazon. So you might have seen how I filmed a Destash with me, and I just use this binder, and I keep this reusable sticker paper in here, and I hole punch it, and it's, you know, also like double-sided. And so that's what this is, except this is kind of a yellow tinge and this is like a white. But yeah, it's the same thing. I can feel it. It feels exactly the same, double-sided. So you've got that right there. If you don't want to buy a full pack like I did and just get a binder and all that, if you just need a little quick little sheet there where you can put some leftovers, that's amazing. So I love that. Then you've got your pocket. It's so beautiful. I love the little dangly moons and stars and planets and all the like astrological signs there. And then this cute little, you know, twisty, what is this, twine here, and you got your little pocket in there. That is super cute. Then you've got your own little birth chart here, the stars at your birth. So you just plug in your date, the time, and the location of when you were born. And then this is going to be so handy, y'all, because I've looked at my birth chart before, but I've never wrote it down or printed it down or anything. So I always freaking forget I think my moon sign is Gemini, but I always forget my ascending, and I have no idea where any of these other planets are in my birth chart. So I just have to always look it up every time I want to figure it out because I forget. Anyways, this is amazing. I can just, you know, jot it in here and then write it down. And then if I'm ever like, oh, what was my Mercury in again? And write that down, and it tells you, you know, your Mercury is for communication and thinking and analyzing. So cool. So cool. Okay. Then you've got your first tab here, January. Here's the pretty art. And then you've got this little section over here where it talks about how the month is like, you know, partially Capricorn, partially Aquarius. And it talks about the Aquarius transition and the Capricorn season and the moons and the transitions, like the retrogrades this month. Ugh, amazing. When you flip the tab January, you've got your standard monthly view, and this is basically the same. You still got your left-handed sidebar, You know, still a Sunday start, still you got your holidays, MLK, New Year's Day, right? All that. But as you can see, you also have every single moon phase, which is amazing. So if you don't want to have to turn back to this sheet right here, you know, all the time, you can just do a quick glance right here and it tells you every single phase. And just like holidays, it says new moon and full moon. So no more do I have to put that in my planner, okay? Like normally this is what the layouts, monthly layouts look like. So it is still a dot grid, it's still on the left side or whatever. The only difference here is this is a colorful, as you can see, but these tabs are neutral. So I love that this is a neutral planner. So yeah, you've still got like daylight savings and holidays and stuff, but there's no moons on here. But this one says right here, new moon and full moon. Amazing, because you know, normally with myself, here's one I've already planned. I just go ahead and put in specifically new moons and full moons, but now I don't have to do that anymore. It's already there. And the astrological signs too. I mean, I'm just like floored. I can't. I love this so much. And of course we love when the tab for the month actually turns to, you know, the month it's supposed to be in. I do notice, however, that I don't like see any kind of notes pages on here. Let me see February. So I guess this is like your notes page. So I am missing a notes page basically. So I don't know how I'm gonna deal with that, since I do like my notes page. I do like to jot down. I keep in track of my budgeting and like orders that I've tracked. Like I'm tracking orders when they've shipped and stuff like that. But you know, I mean, maybe I could just figure out another way to do that, because I just love this planner so much. So anyways, you flip to your week. This is what the weeks look like, and they are all this same very light gray, almost a bluey tinted color, since the whole planner is neutral. And so you've got your holidays or moons down here. And the cool, exciting thing is in the sidebar, if it happens to land on a full moon or a new moon for that week, then you've got your little spiel about that moon. Specifically, like it says this Wednesday brings a full moon in Cancer. So that is for, what is this, January? Yeah. Oh, this is the end of December here. So December 30th, 2020, yeah, is a full moon on Wednesday. Is that right? Wait, this one should, no, it shouldn't, never mind. That's not a celestial planner, whatever. Anyways, I was just get confused because it says January and then this is January, but then I'm like, wait, that's not January 28th because this is January 1st. Okay, anyways, so yeah, December 30th, there happens to be a full moon on 2020. Ooh, look at that, right before the New Year's, close to the New Year's there. Exciting. Anyways, so this is pretty much the same, I'm thinking. Let me try to take a sip of my tea over here. Yeah, so you've still got the little dots in between. Headers are the same size. Oh, and then check it out up here too. Again, you don't need to even reference the month. If you want to check what phase the moon is in, it's right there. Same with the astrological sign too. So yep, still lined down here, and still the dot grid over there. I like this font though. It's so much more like mature, you know? I mean, this is the cute or whatever, but like, I don't know. I like that font more actually. So I'll flip through. As you can see, when it's not a moon or something, then you've just got your full sidebar. So I'll go ahead and, here's the new moon, so there you go. I'll go ahead and show you each, you know, tab, since it does have I mean, I'm not gonna read every spiel about the signs or whatever, but the tab here, as you can see, is like Pisces, which is my month. So I'll show you each of the art for those, because they're all different. So that is Aries, and here you've got Taurus. Oops. Here you've got Gemini. What's next? Then you've got your Cancer, and you've got your Leo. That's my sun. You've got your Virgo. I know a lot of Virgos and a lot of Leos. You've got your Libra, and then we've got Scorpio, and then we've got Sagittarius. And I don't know what these are, honestly. I'm just looking at this right here because it tells me. And then we've got Capricorn. So that is December of 2021. And then let's go to the back. Oh, look at that. And the solar eclipse. What? I didn't even know this, y'all. So instead of the new moon, it's talking about the solar eclipse. Whoa. That is so cool. You know what? This is going to help me with my like grimoire and journaling so much, because like I have to like look all this stuff up, and I probably, you know, still will look up to multiple sources. But it's like amazing to just have this already here. Who designed this? Who did this? I want to be friends with them. Okay, anyways. So we come to the last week of December 2021. So hello 2022 over here. And then you've just got your little notes pages, which are the same. Let me double check as their previous year's notes pages. Let me show you a blank note page here. I've got a lot of my note pages decorated, so yeah, these look the same. I don't know why mine's dirty here, but it's like a little dot grid on the left, and then you've just got lined pages right there. If you're interested in seeing my notes pages, I do have a plan with me where I set up this planner and I did the notes pages as well. I've got like Halloween stuff, and I've got like wintry movies and Christmas stuff, and I can't show you the next page because that's addresses. I've got a reading book tracker, reading log here. Yeah, so I did a lot of decorating in this planner. And because I'm only going to be using this planner for 6 months, I really kind of don't, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip the notes pages out and like glue them down here, because I love my notes pages so much. I can't show you this one because it's got my son's information on from the school. Look at this beautiful fall. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I love it so much, and I don't want to like only enjoy this for 6 months, you know, and then I have to go to a new planner, especially because, you know, my planner is going to be starting in January, and I want to use all these beautiful winter bucket list things. I don't know. You know what? I'm just going to rip these out and just use them in here. So that's what I usually do for my notes pages, is I decorate them with holiday traditions and bucket lists and movies. Anyway, so let's see how many notes pages we got. We got 2, 4. Can I get under here, please? 6, 8, 10, 11, and then you've got your final little page here, just the back of the hardcover, and then you've got this pretty art with this, like, you know, sun and moon kind of a thing, and then this little thingy that tells you everything that you get. They call it a sticker release sheet, the that little double-sided reusable sticker paper. They're calling it a sticker release sheet. So anyways, that is the entire walkthrough of this planner, and I'm so excited to share it with y'all. I really hope that you're as excited for it as I am. Let me check really quick because I want to give you the most information about it as I can, and I want to check the price because I know that when these launched, they had an amazing sale. They were only like $17.99. But let me check what they are right now. And plus, I should have been prepared for this, but you know I wasn't. And plus, you can always get like coupons, you know, like, because these are at Michael's, obviously it's Recollections, so you can always get what do you call it, yeah, you know, like they have sometimes 40% off coupons, so if it's not on sale. But let's go ahead and check. Okay, so it is currently $29.99, but you can save 20% with the code 20 made by you. It says right there on the website. Plus, if you have Rakuten, guys, make sure you get it, because right now I'm showing that it's a 3% cashback offer. So if you want to obviously go in the store and use the 20% off coupon, that's cool too. But you can also order online, michaels.com. If you use the Rakuten, you get 3% cash back, and then you'll save 20% off of the $29.99, and choose free store pickup, because that's what I've done before. And then get this planner and get your cash back with Rakuten. I actually have a discount code, well, not a discount code, a referral code in my bio down description box thingy down there if you want to get some money and then use my referral code. That's cool. Anyways, but if you would rather just go pick it up in Michael's, it's there, and it's $29.99, and there's a 20% off code. I think you can probably download the Michael's app and show them the coupon code. Anyways, whatever. I hope that you're excited for this planner, because I am. And so I'll probably film like a moving into this planner, setting it up or whatever, you know, for the, like in January or something. And, you know, you'll see me set it up. I don't know. I'm probably just going to glue down the notes pages. So that's not too exciting. Maybe we won't film that. We'll see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. And if you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, because I really appreciate your support and it really helps me out. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, any more of my little reviews or plan with me's or hauls or anything like that. Leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to chat and say hi, because I'll say hi back. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.